Hi, I'm Sharon Abaud, immigration attorney. In this video, I'm going to go over the Immigrant Visa Bulletin. If you have filed or are currently waiting or thinking about filing a family-based petition and you want to know how much longer you have to wait, this video is for you. And I have some special good news in here for those of you who are the spouse or child of a lawful permanent resident waiting for your visa to become available. Stay tuned. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and click the bell to receive notifications of when I update my most recent videos. So we're going to look at the processing times for this month and next month. We are now at June 2019. So let's go ahead. I went to this travel.state.gov website. Here I go to Get U.S. Visas. And again, what I am doing is checking the processing time for all those people who have to wait for a visa. So there are, if you're not an immediate relative, that is the spouse of a U.S. citizen or child under 21 of a U.S. citizen or parent of a U.S. citizen. For other family members who qualify, they have to wait for the visa to become available. And right now I am checking for those wait times, also called processing times. So when I go down here, I'm going to check the visa bulletin. Let's look at this month's, June 2019. Okay. Here you can see, I'm very comfortable with the categories because this is my job every day. But for those of you who are not as familiar with the categories, you can look here and see where you are. Your I-130 petition should also state your category. So let's look at F2A, spouses and children of permanent residents. If you are not from China or India or Mexico or the Philippines, you are going to look under this column. So if we look at F2A, this is spouses and children and unmarried sons and daughters of permanent residents. We are here July 15, 2017. So July 15, 2017. So this means that if your I-130 petition receipt has a date of July 15, 2017 or earlier, your visa is available. If you filed July 16, 2017, unfortunately, your visa is not yet available. That means you cannot yet immigrate, whether it be from abroad or whether you are going to file for adjustment of status here in the United States. Now, if we scroll down, this is the date that you can file for an immigrant visa, but you don't have an immigrant visa available yet. That means you can't become a lawful permanent resident quite yet, but immigration will allow you to file your application under this category just to get the ball rolling. This is great, especially if this really only applies to you if you are adjusting status here in the United States. And the really, really great thing about it is when you file for adjustment of status, you can file for a work permit. And with that, you can get your social security number if you don't already have it. So this oftentimes will come before this. So let's again look at F2A. We're at March 8th, 2019. And this is for all countries that are not China, India, Mexico, or Philippines. If you are from one of those countries I just listed, you're going to want to look under the corresponding column. So looks like they're all again at March 8th, 2019. So if this is only about 3 months ago, so if you have an I-130 petition with the receipt date of March 8th, 2019 or earlier, good news, you can go ahead and file that adjustment of status application and work permit. Now, I want to take a sneak peek to next month's availability because I have some exciting news. July 2019. And ta-da! We have current for all F2As, and that's why I wanted to highlight F2A in this video. So for next month, it's supposed to be that all dates are current. That means you don't, that filing application date wouldn't really apply to you because the dates would already be current. That means an immigrant visa will be immediately available to you. So that is great news. Let's hope that is the case next month, that nothing changes. Again, this is where you would look to see when you could file the adjustment of status application. So that was all today. I hope this video helped you. I hope this was, useful to you. Please like, share, and comment below if you have any suggestions on other topics you would like me to talk about. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you.